Should you be using campaign budget optimization or ad set budget optimization? I'm going to be explaining what this even means, as well as how to make this choice in this video. If that sounds good to you, hit the like button, consider subscribing, check out some of the other videos on my channel. Right at the first step of making an ad, you will be brought to the campaign level. You will choose campaign budget or ad set budget. Simply what this means is, do you want to say that this campaign has $30 a day and Facebook, you decide how you want to spend it? Or do you want to set the budget at the ad set level? So to show you how that might look, I'm going to just duplicate this a couple times. And this is generally what different ad sets would be named after once they are completely built out. So I typically do different ad sets by geography would be a common way. Of course, you can do it where different interest targeting or lookalike audiences per ad set, but it's pretty rare that you don't just do open targeting nowadays, which is where you don't set an interest, you just select age, location, and gender if you need to, and you let Facebook do its thing. That is most of the time what you're doing. If I am going to be running ads internationally though, that is basically always a time where I will be dividing it into different ad sets because I want to clearly separate this data and I want to make sure that I do have a little bit more control. Also, creatives that work well in the US might not work well in Australia. It is kind of different sometimes of which creatives work well in different countries. So that's why I don't like to stack all of the countries in one ad set. But ad set is the who, right? So let's say that the sales campaign would be marketing agency, clients would be like an ad campaign that I'd be running, and I would be running it in these three areas, right? I do group Europe all together, and then US I do by itself, Australia, New Zealand. Sometimes I do like Mexico, Canada, but I don't mind putting the European countries together. But let's just say, when would I want to do CBO versus ABO if I was doing this campaign? I would actually want to still do CBO, which would be me saying, hey, marketing agency clients campaign gets $30 a day. Whether you want to give $8 to Australia and New Zealand, $12 to United States, and $20 to Europe, or any combination of those that adds up to $30 per day, that is completely up to you, Facebook. If I did ad set budget optimization, then what would be happening? And this right here is just basically their way of trying to get you to do campaign budget optimization. So I probably wouldn't do this, although it's kind of a good in-between option where you can suggest to Facebook what you want your budgets to be for each country, and then you can let them have a little bit of play. It's not a bad idea at all, actually, when you are not completely sure how much budget you want to do. But if I, as a company, wanted to control it at this level where I say, no, Europe gets 10, United States gets 30, and Australia and New Zealand gets 20. That's how I want to do it. I want to force Facebook to do that budget. Then that is when you would do the ad set budget optimization. It simply is when you would want to take manual control over it. Now, what I will say is, like, why would you want to do CBO though, is because Facebook is really good at divvying up this budget. I don't give Facebook a lot of control in other areas, but this is an area that it is totally fine for me to set. Okay, I don't know why it just jumped me up to $1,941 budget, but as you can see, now I'm setting the budget at the campaign level, whereas before I was setting it at the ad set level. So now when I look at the budget, it says using campaign budget. So I have to go here. If I go back in here and I switch it to ad set budget, and then I go here, then I will be looking at the budgets at the ad set level again, and then at the campaign level saying using ad set budget. I'm just being thorough here so you guys absolutely understand it, but Facebook is gonna do a better job at me saying you get $70 per day and you decide how to divvy it up every single day. You divvy it up how you want, is going to do better. So I'm gonna be for CBO. If you ever are just wanting to manually get more clients in a certain area for whatever reason that is, maybe you divide the ad sets by age. If you have an 18 to 45 and then a 46 plus, if you know that you value younger clients because they have a higher lifetime value, something like that, and you just want to put more towards it, then that is when you would take manual control. So as long as you have a good reason, it's a good idea. Otherwise, rest assured that CBO is going to take care of you just fine. That's all that we're covering in this video. Nice short one, but make sure you check out the other videos on my channel coming out soon because we're covering some really exciting and unique stuff that you're not going to find on other channels. See you then.